Good Thursday evening, Southeast Texas. A lot to talk about. First off, for the big Labor Day weekend, Saturday, a 40% coverage expected up in the Lakes area and hot, about a 30% coverage in the Triangle. We'll be watching a front stall across the area and likely move into the coastal waters. As we work on into Sunday, drier air filters on in, and it's going to get hotter with more sun. Limited chance of rain in the Triangle at only 20% coverage. But as you can see towards Labor Day, lots of sun coming up with highs in the mid-90s because of that drier air behind the front. Today we saw an upper level disturbance. You can see it right there. That was not shown on model data today. That's why we saw about the 30 to 40% coverage across the area. No cap. That was not shown yesterday. So this is what was the triggering mechanism for the surprise scattered showers and thunderstorms. Thought we could have gotten a little more dry weather here in the Triangle. I did have a 30% coverage in the lakes, and we got every bit of that. But again, the big disturbance over our area is going to weaken and move off towards the north and west. We'll be in a weakness, if you will, but you can see higher pressure off towards our east, so that may be an influence as we head towards the weekend. So tonight I think we're pretty much done. Can't rule out maybe a stray shower this evening, but things will be cooling off only into the middle 70s in the lakes and the upper 70s to lower 80s in the Triangle. Then for tomorrow, I'm going to go with about a 40% coverage of mainly afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms across southeast Texas as this boundary moves on in. This is ahead of the front that we're expecting tomorrow night and Saturday. So again, some of these storms could produce locally heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and also frequent lightning. So keep that in mind coming up tomorrow afternoon and evening. In the tropics, bye-bye Omar in the central Atlantic will be dissipating by Saturday, and then Nana heading off to the west, bye-bye, becoming, dissipating basically. And then in the far eastern Atlantic, very active right now. We're watching not one, not two, but back to 3 areas. We've got an orange, we've got a cherry, and we've got a lemon out there right now. High probability this disturbance could become a depression within the next 5 days, probably by the weekend. And also this second area of disturbed weather south could also turn into depression with a medium chance. So very active as we head on in to the peak of hurricane season, which is the 10th of September. On the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow, looking at slightly choppy seas around 1 to 2 feet in your coastal marine forecast. We'll see easterly winds at 5 to 10 knots. Our forecast for tonight, rain ending, and we'll see, decreasing cloudiness. Low temperatures in the mid-70s in the lakes to the upper 70s and lower 80s in the Triangle, winds becoming easterly. Then tomorrow, I'm going to go with a blanket 40% coverage of showers and thunderstorms across the area tomorrow with highs in the lower 90s and an east to southeast wind. So again, a scattering of showers and thunderstorms coming up Friday night. We'll go with a 30% coverage on Saturday as that front stalls out into the coastal waters. A little drier air filtering on in, so it looks pretty good coming up Sunday and Monday. But with the drier air, that means high temperatures will likely reach the mid-90s for Labor Day. Then, just don't forget the sunscreen. We're not going to go with anything but hot, humid, and limited rain chances as we head on into late next week, despite what the GFS says. As you can see, temperatures as far as lows mid-70s and highs low to mid-90s. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.